Hi, I'm Darren from Carbonwurks and you join us here today to talk about another Dissident Automotive 911-992 carbon part. So this is Dissident Automotive's demonstration vehicle, which they very kindly brought down to us for this video. And we're going to talk about the gull wing whale tail type boot spoiler that we have here. So this is obviously a different design to the factory part. As you can see by this particular piece, this has had paint on the sides and it's got a nice element on the top to break it up. This can actually be offered in a full carbon finish. It can be half painted like it stands at the moment, or it can be completely painted as well for those maybe wanting something a little bit more subtle. The actual weave on this can be opted as well, which is another extra that you can change on the actual part itself. So this is herringbone style, so this is why you've got the weave, I should say, pointing off there. This can be single-sided, or as I said, a nice herringbone if you are wanting that sort of finish. So like all the other parts you may have seen or may not, this is a 2x2 twill pre-preg autoclave carbon fibre part, which means it's extremely well made, basically to F1 standards, and it gives something that is very light, very strong, extremely good purity across the part, and obviously with this lacquered finish, part painted, it gives really good longevity as well. So this spoiler will lift when you do 60 miles per hour, or if you opt for it with the button inside the car. So as you can see from some of the footage, this is a really nice big spoiler when it's up, but it still looks OEM when it's down. So it's a really nice part all round. So great part, a part we can actually offer fitting wise in-house with ourselves here on the South Coast. So we are a Dissident Automotive authorised dealer, so we can fit the parts as well as supply. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Check out some of the other videos for some of the other parts. Thanks for watching.